Hello guys! Good morning! Today's content is about leftover french fries. Do you have leftover french fries at home and you don't want to waste them? This content is for you. Here are some ideas to use them up to turn your french fries into this hearty omelette. And this is perfect for brunch or dinner. Before we go further, I'm Ankim and Kath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to hit the notification button, like, share, and subscribe. Let's move on our content. This omelette is very simple, fast, and very easily to follow. Actually, any other leftover in your fridge can be okay. No special recipes or tools are needed. It can be done easily in a few minutes. Creativity with leftovers is always interesting. You can transform your yesterday fries into a glorious plate. Leftover can find new ways. Here are some ideas that I think you will enjoy. Just few ingredients needed. You can pretty much add anything you want, cheese, veggies, or meat. These tips help them taste as good and delicious. Please stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Okay, start na tayong magluto. Samahan niyo ako guys. Luto na tayo. much for watching. Thank you so much for dropping by and watching my video. The complete details of this recipe, it's in the description below. Hope to see you again next week. God bless everyone. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless everyone.